Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to convert a PDF to JPEG. All right, so let's begin. I'm not on my Windows desktop, but if you're also on an Apple computer, this guide is also going to work. So the first thing you want to do is go open up your internet browser, and then you want to come to a search engine such as Google. As you can see, I'm here, and all I want to do is search for a website we're going to use called combinepdf.com. Now do keep watching. I'm showing you the full steps. So here we go. Then you want to click here, and as you can see, it gives us a ton of different options. Conversions we can do. But we want to go and locate PDF to JPEG. So here it is. Simply click on it once here, and then all you want to do is go and click on Upload Files. And you can go upload multiple files as well. You're trying to go and convert them. So simply click Upload Files. And by the way, for each page in the PDF, it's going to go and create a different image. So if you've got 20 pages on the PDF file, you're going to get 20 images. So here's the file I want to go and upload. So I'm going to click here, and then it's going to go upload it. And then all you need to do is upload the others if you have any, and then you can go and click Download All, and it's going to go and drop a download. As you can see, and then you're going to go and get the zip file. Mine says 1 because I've done this before. But then all you want to do is simply go and click on it. And then it's going to go have a file here. Then we'll click on it. And then it's going to go and give you your images. So here is just the one I have here. As you can see, it looks exactly the same as it did in my PDF. So that's basically how you can convert a PDF to JPEG. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.